it looks like you bought ice cream. Can you give me some?
Sure thing. What flavor would you like?
Can I have some strawberry flavored ice cream?
Sure thing. Give me 1 second. Let's use this scooper. Here's 1 giant scoop of strawberry ice cream. Let's put it on a cone. And here's 1 strawberry ice cream scoop on the cone. All right, baby grandpa, here you go. Say ah.
Ah.
Ice cream first. Now the cone.
Yum! Oh, wait, it feels like there's something stuck in the back of my throat.
Whoa, baby grandpa, you just burped out a surprise toy. Awesome! It's a Minecraft Series 9 blind box. We got Gasto Lantern. What a clever name.
I want to eat more ice cream. Can you scoop me up some blueberry flavored ice cream?
Coming right up. Here's a big scoop of blueberry ice cream. Put it on the cone. And here's your blueberry ice cream scoop on the cone. Say ah.
Ah.
Here comes the cone.
Whoa! It feels like something's caught in my throat again.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing! You keep burping out surprise toys. This time we got a Disney Happy Places one. Let's check it out. We found Cinderella home decors. Here's a purple table. Today we got a bag, a purse, and a compact. Here's a closer look at the bag. Here's a closer look at the purse. And here's a closer look at the compact. Now let's set all of the items on top of this purple table. And here are all of Cinderella's home decors.
What flavor should I try next? Can I try the orange flavor?
Don't you think you've had enough ice cream for today?
Aw, can I just have one more scoop, please?
Alright, but this is the last one, okay?
Yay! Okay, this will be my last one. Can you give it to me in a cup this time? I ate too many cones.
Alright, you got it. Here's a big scoop of orange ice cream. Let's put it in a cup. And here's an orange ice cream scoop in a cup. Here you go, baby grandpa.
Aw. That was delicious! Oh, I think there's something caught in my throat again.
Yes! Your burps are magical! We got another surprise toy. This time it's a Shopkins World Vacation surprise toy. Our first Shopkins is Rolla Kate. Here's a closer look at Rolla Kate. And our second Shopkins is Tia Ice Cream Taco. Here's a closer look at Tia Ice Cream Taco.
Thank you for the ice cream. It was very delicious.
Whoa, baby grandpa, what happened to your teeth?
What do you mean?
Look at your teeth. It looks like you have cavities.
Ow! Why would you do that? That really hurt.
Oh, that's not good. Looks like we have to take you to the dentist. Hey, welcome to the dentist. Can you please open your mouth so I can take a look at your teeth? I'll start by checking your teeth out with this mouth mirror. Okay. I'm starting to see the problem here. Let's check the top. Aha. I see there's a problem up here too. Okay, I know what to do. Alright, baby grandpa, you have a few bad teeth. This pink one right here, this blue one, and this orange one. I'm going to start by removing the bad teeth with this drill. Start with this pink one. Now the blue. And last but not least, this orange one. Now I'll use the pliers to remove the bad teeth. Looks like this was a strawberry accident. This looks like a blueberry accident. And this looks like an orange accident. Don't worry, baby grandpa. I'll make some new teeth for you right away. Perfect! Now I'll give baby grandpa his new teeth. Alright, baby grandpa, be careful when eating sweets, okay? Don't go too crazy. Let me just brush your teeth and you can be on your way. Now your teeth are all white and sparkly clean.
Thank you for fixing my teeth. It feels a lot better now.
Hold on, baby grandpa. I have one more surprise for you.
Whoa! I love surprise toys.
Okay, let's start by checking out this Sheriff Callie's Wild West blind bag. We got Deputy Peck today. Last surprise toy. Let's check out this Care Bears Fashions. Today we got Tender Heart Bear. Well, hope you had fun with baby grandpa today. If you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome videos. See ya!